In front of you is our finished product warehouse. We always keep in 10,000 finished scooters in stock to meet the needs of the markets from different countries. Meanwhile, in order to better serve global customers, we can also accept product customization. Our professional technical and marketing team will combine your vision and our experience to work with you to finalize the most suitable product attributes for you and help you grow with excellent reputation and keen marketing positioning in the context of fierce competition. Gradually and healthily make your brand popular and stand out.